Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can highlight a text in Canva. Right now as you can see we are in Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on elements and here you can simply search for fruits, right, and you will find lots of fruit photos. So I'm going to select this one and here I'm going to click on triple dot and then set image as background. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to click on text and add a heading, and now here I'm going to write is fruits are good for health, we should eat daily. Okay, right, so I have written this text. Now what I want to do is I just want to highlight this particular health word, right? So how we can do that? So for example, I have just selected health, and now if I click on effects and here if I click on background, then what is happening is that whole line or whole sentence is getting a background, right? But we just want to highlight the health text only. So again I am using the undo command, that is Ctrl plus Z, to remove the background from the whole sentence, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to select the health and we are going to change the color of this text, right? So I have selected this one color, or you can select whatever the color you want, right? So I have selected yellow color, and as you can see our text has been highlighted, right? Either you can change the text color, right? Let me reduce the transparency of the background image. Okay, and let me change the color of the text to black. Okay, now what we are going to do is change the color of this health word only, right? But again it is not highlighting, right? So how we can highlight in another way? So let me change the color of the whole text to black as of now. Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on elements and here we are going to search for shape, and in the all you will find the shape. So I have selected this one, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this rectangular shape behind the health word. Let me zoom in, right, so we can place it more precisely. Oh sir, the corners are round. Okay, no issues, you can remove the corner roundness as well, right? And now we can simply zoom out, right? And as you can see our health word has been highlighted. We can select it and click on group, right? Sir, I just want to change the text color of this health. Okay, no issues, you can do that. Okay, now it's more highlighted, right? So in this manner you can simply highlight any word in Canva, right? Sir, still our text is not showing good. Okay, no issues, you can also add effects to your text, right? For that you need to ungroup it again, and you just need to select the text and click on effects, and here you can simply add an outline, right? You can add the white color. Okay, and here you can simply change the color of health to some other color. Now you can simply increase the size, group it, and you can place it anywhere, right? So in this manner you can highlight a text in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.